Hey everyone, it's Mike here with How To Apps. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix camera not working on Windows 10. It's fairly simple, so we'll jump right into it. So the first thing we want to do is go down to our Start menu and go to Settings. We're going to go to Update and Security, and we're going to make sure that there is no pending Windows updates. You can see on mine here that it's pending a restart. So if that was your case as well, you would want to press Restart now and then try your camera again. However, if you're said that you are already up to date, you would want to press check for updates just to make sure. After you have verified that your Windows is fully updated, if you're still having camera issues, we will close out of this. We will go back down to our Start menu and press Settings. From here, we will press on Privacy, and then we will press Camera on the left. On this screen, you want to make sure that Allow Apps to Access Your Camera is toggled on, and then you want to make sure that each app that you're trying to use the camera with is also toggled on for permissions as well. If you are having an issue using your camera with a desktop app, those are also listed below, and you want to make sure that that is turned on as well. And that's it. That is how you fix camera not working on Windows 10. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos.